Happy Mother's Day to all the great mothers out there left in the world. It is 12:43 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date is 5/12 of 2019. I have an hourly chart right here on that S&P 500, and we called for that big correction, and we're in it now. So basically, I'm also going to show a weekly right here, and so we're going to go ahead and click on weekly and whatnot. And here's the deal: we came down, we tested these moving averages right here. That 50-day moving average at 28.56. We dipped below it and we hit that low right around 28.18, and then we kind of bounced up. And this is the weekly beginning part of a reversal. So what I am saying is that you're going to get a very special invitation. So here is the S&P 500 support level. You can see clear back over here where we had a major breakout. We consolidated this lower end and we broke higher, and we just kept going higher in the first 4 months of 2019. Now, here's the deal that I want to tell you. Here's what I want to tell you. You've got a chance to get a VIP seat. What I am saying is in 2019 and 20, we're going to have one of the worst bear markets ever seen in our lifetime, and we are. This is going to pay us big money below the bull market, 500 to 1,000% return with very little money, very low risk. You also, if you have a live account somewhere, you can join our 12-month managed account program where we do all the trades with your account. Don't miss out. Once you've registered, you will be automatically redirected to our private trading room only that we created just for this. 10 of the most public risk companies that are going to go down huge, and they are. The next bear market will be the worst one in history the last 10-year bull markets have run. They changed, and they can make you a very rich person if you take action now. And why the next bear will be the worst in our lifetimes. May 15th, you're welcome to join me, and you are at freeoptiontrader.com. Now is the time not to miss out on big money. The big problems have already occurred, and they're going to continue. This last year, 10-year bull market right here, 10 years bull market have changed. But it can make you a very rich person, and it can. All you got to do is want it. If you want it, then you're going to sign up for the free 5-day trial. If you want it, you're going to call 702-685-0772. Get your free VIP option trader room. Trading room, free 5-day trial. Longer term option plays below the bull market pay us big. They're very cheap. There's going to be a lot of things that's going to happen in the United States this year. Please be advised, on 5/2 I had called for a very big correction that will get started. I also followed up with it last Sunday, a week ago today, and I did. And I said what was going to happen. This is before the fact. This is not after the fact. Then on 5/7, exactly what that S&P index gets slammed intraday right off of the morning with the Chinese news. But here are the dates. You can't deny the dates. You cannot deny the analysis. You cannot deny yourself into making a lot of money with this. Please don't do that. Take action now. This is the 60-minute on that S&P. Friday options expiration. We hit it, and they wound it right back up. This is part of what we call a bear and bull fight. It started up here when we called it. It comes up, it gaps down again, it comes, it holds that support level, it dipped down below it. We made a lower low Friday, and then they bounced it right back off at the bottom. This is how bear and bulls go up and down in what we call price action volatility. Now, one good thing about us is that we get you in on both sides of the market. And then there are times when it's going to go up and we'll get in and we'll get out. And then there are going to be times when it goes back into the reversal trend and we'll get short with the put options on that side of the market. And it would look like this. Reversal, we called it. Gap down, he comes up, he hits that same area, and we gap down this morning right here at 29. Let's just call it 29.05. And then we made that lower low. We come back up to a lower high resistance in here. We start with another gap down. We rally right back up, but we couldn't get above where that gap was and whatnot. This is all just technical stuff. Don't worry about that. This is the bottom doji reversal on the 60-minute chart right here. And we're right back up here at the wall of resistance. And we are. Once again, this is a 1 year chart with daily candles on it and whatnot. And we do have a long ways to come down, and here's going to be a support level throughout this calendar year. Nothing goes straight down forever, but if you're right on the longer term, which we are, and we already know that. And I'm drawing a trend line right here on that S&P at 2718. Now I'm even going to go a little bit further than that. Now remember, not all of this is going to happen right away. But like I said, as long as you know what you're doing and you're going to be right, then we trade that volatility, and we love volatility. Volatility makes you money. And so what I am going to say right down here in this area, I'm going to say right there, I'm going to draw that trend line. There it is. And this trend line is right above 2600. We're at 2891. You can clearly see how we had busted down. Now, having said that, I'm going to be updating the Dow. I'm going to be doing all of that. I have invited you. I have opened up my professionalism to develop an ongoing relationship on a daily, yearly, compounded level. And please take action for your own well-being.